So friends, let's see this real quick recipe. Now first I'm preparing the stuffing. So this is a similar stuffing from a pav bhaji, masala pav recipe. It's an older video, so I'm just posting that part. So here I have one medium onion chopped fine, one capsicum chopped fine, one tomato chopped fine. I have some ginger garlic paste, so you can use ready-made ginger garlic paste, but here I've taken half an inch of ginger and about 4 cloves of garlic and made a coarse paste. This is the pav bhaji masala and some Kashmiri red chili powder, some salt to taste and some lemon juice. The juice of half a lemon. So let's get started and make the stuffing. So I'm going to heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Then I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste and I'm going to fry the paste really well till the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. So friends, you can prepare this stuffing the previous night. So in the morning when you're preparing the tiffin, you don't have to prepare this stuffing and it's nice and cooled already. Then I'm going to add the onions and I'm going to fry the onions really well, the capsicum well and the tomato well. So we're not going to add any potatoes or anything for this, just these 3 veggies. I'm going to add a little bit of water because we have to cook this, so the rawness of all these vegetables go away. So cover and cook for about 3 minutes. Then we'll add the pav bhaji masala, we'll add the Kashmiri chili powder, we'll add some salt to taste. And again give everything a mix and then try to dry this mixture a little bit, because we want to stuff it into 2 polis or chapati, so you have to have a dry mixture. And then once it's nice and dry, we're just going to turn the heat off and just add some lemon juice. And then you can bring this to room temperature, or if you're making it the previous night, just put it into a glass or steel container and keep it in your refrigerator. And then you're all ready to make the this recipe in the morning. So now make some polis or chapatis, and you need 2 for each of this. So just take a little bit of the filling, spread it onto one of them and spread it to all corners, all sides of the poli or chapati. Add some grated cheese. Then place another poli or chapati on top of it and press it down. Now see that your pan or tawa is nicely heated up, and then just place it on your pan or tawa. And then you're going to roast it nicely on both sides, and then you're just going to apply some clarified butter or ghee and make it nice and crispy. Make it nice and golden brown on both sides. So guys, it's early in the morning and I'm just preparing my kids' tiffin because my daughter has to leave early for college. So I'm just making this. I thought I'd share with you. It might just be helpful to some mom to make a tiffin for their kid, or just for someone to make a tiffin for office or anything, or a short snack. And then once it's nice and golden brown, just transfer it to a plate. So I'm making 2 of these, so I'm using 4 polis or chapatis. And then let it cool to room temperature, and then using a pizza cutter, just cut it up into triangles or pizza shape like this. So the cheese also has nicely melted. I'll show it to you. And then I'm just going to pack it into my kids' tiffin box. So I've just taken a glass tiffin box with some butter paper. And see that it comes to room temperature. Don't put it very hot, because then when you cover it with butter paper, all moisture will get created. So let it cool to room temperature. Place some butter paper on the top and your tiffin is all ready. So this is how it looks. This is how the stuffing is inside. Everything has melted and this lovely delicious stuffing is really very, very nice. Your kids are going to love it. Your family members are going to love it. You are going to love it. So try out this recipe, guys. Recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.